Hi friend, I am Asith Roy. Welcome to AR Multimedia Computer YouTube channel. We can look at my computer screen. A document or MS Word file is being locked, saved and protected with password. In this video tutorial we'll learn how to create a password in MS Word document for protection the file with lock in Microsoft Word 2019. Now I am going to start my tutorial, so stay with me till the end and watch the completed video. At first time we open Microsoft Word programs and write your text or design in the Microsoft Word document. Go to File. Save. Select your computer drive location where we save. Browse. Desktop. Tools. General options. We look a new window. Go to password to open and write your password here, like Bangladesh. After OK click. Again we see a new window and go to re-enter password to open. Again write your confirm password here, same like Bangladesh. OK click. Write your file or document name. Save. Close the Word document and go to desktop for open the document. Double click on the file. We can look a new window. The document will not open without password. Write your confirm file password like Bangladesh. OK. We can look protection document is being opened. In the way we will be able to create a document or MS Word file lock with password protection in Microsoft Word. Thanks everyone for watching the tutorial. If you have learned something new by watching my video, please press subscribe my channel and touch bell icon for get upload new tutorial. Please like, share, comments my YouTube channel AR Multimedia. See you in a new tutorial. Stay well, stay healthy.